there. I'll give you this necklace when the show is over and not before. I might even keep it, so shut the hell up. Oh, I got somebody famous coming up over here. It's Michael Moore. Hey, Michael Moore. Hey, stop and give us an interview here, Michael Moore.
My name is Troy Nelson, owner of Fifth Gear Productions.
Oh, thank you for letting us have this event at the Fifth Gear Productions Theater. So how's your business going?
Well, we're very honored to put on this event tonight.
Well, what about that jacket? That's horrible. Is that Old Navy or Salvation Army? Can we talk? Oh, my. Gee, how long have you been in business?
Well, we've been doing business for about 3 years now, and we,
What about that hat? You look like you're going hunting. I hope you're going hunting with Dick Cheney. Let me tell you a story about me and Dick. Can you believe that? Michael Moore just walked away from me. He's so rude. Can't we talk? That outfit doesn't go with anything. I don't know what Mimi's talking about. Really? Can we talk? What a name.
For me and for you.
Sometimes I wish I had a twin, so I could see what I look like without plastic surgery. I can't feel my face. Hey, are you Jewish? Let me see that bracelet. It's so small. She's got to be Catholic. I'm Jewish. I don't exercise. If God wanted me to bend over, he would have thrown diamonds all over the floor. Have you seen the new Jewish American Princess movie? Yeah, it's called Debbie Does the Dishes. Oh, please. Please shut up. And then there's my daughter Melissa and her two friends, Paris Hilton and Nicole Richie. I mean, what do you give for Hanukkah gifts for these young girls today? Plates. What color wine, red or white, do you give with Quaaludes? Oh, please, it's not fair. A man can sleep around, and a woman, she makes 10, 20 mistakes? She's a tramp. My best birth control is, I leave the lights on. Oh, my. And what woman hasn't faked an orgasm? Oh, don't lie to me. You